up, YouTube? It is your girl, Toshinae Letrice, and you are watching my channel. Okay? So, today I'm gonna be trying something new. I think that's what I always say every time I come on my channel, because I don't wanna do anything that's boring or regular. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying new things with my hair journey. So as you can see, I got my nice little bonnet on, and I just washed my hair last night. Yep, it was late wash day last night, but this is what I normally do is I go to sleep with my deep conditioner in. And I want to talk about the deep conditioner that I use. So I used this prickly pear hydrating hair mask on my hair last night. I have never used this product. It's by Schwartz Natural Cosmetics. I actually got this off of Fingerhut. I have a Fingerhut credit card, and I bought this product off of there. It's a superfood product. So I really like this, applying it into my hair. So we're gonna see how it is once I rinse it out. So I'm gonna go rinse this out of my hair, and then today I'm going to be trying the shingling method on my hair. I have never tried the shingling method because I am very lazy when it comes to my hair, and shingling does take a very long time, but I'm gonna be trying it today, so we'll get right into that once I get back. All right, y'all, now that my hair has been rinsed out, I am ready to get into styling this. So one thing I do want to say is that conditioner made my hair literally so silky soft. Like, I was really shocked by how this worked, and it worked really, really well. And no, this is not sponsored. I don't make no money off YouTube. The product that I'm going to be using is going to be this Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls Glossy Curling Gel. I went to the store looking for the flaxseed gel because I really freaking love that gel. If you guys didn't know, I love that gel so much. But I couldn't find it, and all they had was this. This is Grapeseed Style and Shine. But my hair doesn't work very well with creams and stuff, so I have to use gels on my hair, or at least I prefer gels on my hair. Leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna go ahead and pair it with this other Aunt Jackie's Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. I don't have a lot of this left. I think I'm gonna use this one instead because I have a little more of this. But yeah, I'm gonna start with this small section right here. Do I need a smaller section to shingle? I feel like I might need a smaller section. Even smaller section. I'm gonna just take a little bit of this. Go ahead and add that. I'm just applying gel. And then do I have to... I don't really know how to do this. I think I just take a piece. Girl, I don't know what I'm doing. Am I supposed to add gel? Like, as I'm doing each piece, or? This is gonna be a fail because I really don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know, you guys, I've never done this method, so I really don't know if it's gonna make a difference, but already the curls look super defined compared to if I just applied the product. It wouldn't be as defined like that. Ooh, it looks kind of cute, but also I think I need more gel, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it moving. I don't know if I'm like doing this the proper method, but I'm trying, y'all. I'm dead-ass trying. And we'll see how that's gonna work out for me. I think the key to this is like every single strand is getting product. You're not missing any strands. It already looks pretty decent. Like, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. Okay, I'm gonna keep going and shut up. I hope this comes out good, you guys. I really do. Or else I'm never doing this again, ever. Ever. Alright, so now that you guys have seen me do this to pretty much half of my head, I am going to do this to the rest of my head and come back when it's done. Then I'll let you know what it looks like once it's dry as well. Peace. Do you guys have a good side? Like, I feel like my hair has a good side. Everybody has a good side, right? Like, this is my bad side. And I started with this side for a reason, because this is my bad side. It tends to be more frizzy and less defined. But already this side is like giving me no issues, no problems. Everything's coming out super good. I am going way faster. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Well, it's not the final look, but I'm done shingling. I don't know how I feel about it. I've gone in with some more gel because I am terrified of frizz. And I've gone over some pieces, you know, that look like they're gonna get frizzy, just to revert that and stop them from frizzing up. Hopefully once this is dry, it'll look good. At the end of the day, it's still probably gonna look better than a wash and go, so like, I'm not gonna have terrible looking hair. I just really want it to be defined and like no frizz, but we'll see. We will see. I'm afraid that my roots are gonna frizz up, but I'm not gonna speak any negativity. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna let this air dry for probably all day, and then I'll come back to you guys once it's dry, or mostly dry, and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like. It is not fully dry, but it's pretty much dry, and you can actually start to like see what it's looking like. As you can see, I did change the part because like, I don't know what I was doing even putting the part that way. I never wear my hair like that. And the more I looked at it, I was just like, like, this is my good side. I like like, I like my hair to this side, but I definitely think the shingling method did make a difference, like, to my wash and go for sure. And I think I could improve in certain areas. Like, I feel like when I first started, I was doing really well, but then I just started putting like more and more product, and I think that made my hair frizzy too, just like putting so much of the product on the top, trying to make it like extra defined. But it really does look pretty defined. I liked how the curls like curled up at the bottom. It it's something I would definitely do again for sure, and like probably do it better the next time. So thank you guys for watching me do this shingling method on my hair. I don't know if you guys can really see, but like, yeah, it's super defined. And this isn't all the way dry. It's about 85% dry right now. Thank you guys for watching my channel and this video. If you want to see more videos like this, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see, what kind of hair videos you want to see, like holy grails maybe, like something like that. Let me know. But yeah, thank you for watching my channel, and I will see you next time.